Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. The live is starting early this morning. Wanted to make sure I hopped on here in time for questions, all that good stuff. Good morning, good morning. Good morning, Team Bull. What's up? If you all have any questions, let me know. Drop them in chat. Good time. We got plenty of time to focus on some education, all that good stuff. Good morning. You catch a nice trade, Kane? After all the time we waited on the setup yesterday, we didn't catch a trade, right? Like minutes after we got off here, we had a trade confirmed. So I ended up making some money finally. Thankfully, Grizzology came through for me. I'm working on something, but you can still ask questions. So I'm trying to build my first Python bot, but it's a learning process. Basically I'm learning as I go. What's up? You're down 500 on your eval. That's nothing you can come back from, though. Easily can come back and pass that eval. Just have to not oversize. What's everyone watching this morning? Been watching since 2022. Grizz to me seems to be using way more indicator. I don't use a one indicator anymore, Grizzology. It marks all our levels, supply and demand. That's all I've been using. As far as like our active day trading sessions. Though the bot I'm trying to build, if that's what he's referring to, who was that I was talking to? Devin. Is it gonna be a option selling bot? I'm not trying. It's gonna be for me, So nothing I'm trying to sell. I'm just talking about what I was working on this morning. How do you get Grizzology? You just go to grizzlytrades.com. You'll see it there. Click on it. Use code NQ to get your discount, and once you get in, you'll join. You'll get the WAP app, right? That's where the community is for Grizzology. You'll have a community chat. You have a complete user guide. Read it all. And you actually claim the indicator inside of WAP. You'll see a trading view tab. You go there, claim it. It's different from Team Bull, Todd. But I do, share my screen there. Nice, Devin. Good morning, Chris. Welcome in, everyone. Sorry if I missed any questions. Let's see. What am I eyeing right now? I'm not really eyeing anything. It will more than likely be after market open before I take a trade. The market it's been tricky for sure. It requires a lot of patience right now. Like yesterday, even for myself. I'm not just, talking about you all. Yesterday, we waited to 11 something? We're like, okay, the market's not giving us anything. We cut the live off, right? We got off the live. Literally within minutes, I called a trade. It finally confirmed. Perfect entry. I made 1,100. Next week, it probably started around Wednesday, but next week around Wednesday, we'll probably start streaming longer if the market, doesn't get back to the better early morning sessions. We'll see how it plays out.
What's good, money team? What's up?
Good morning.
What's up, Rich Block?
What's up, man?
How's it going, man? Good morning.
It's going good. Hopefully have a nice trade today. I ended up catching a trade yesterday, literally right after I got off voice. I had one confirmed. Seemed like some moves are coming later.
Yep. That's been a common theme lately.
I seen you made some money at least yesterday. That's good.
Didn't come easy, but it came.
Yeah.
Didn't come easy, but she came. Hopefully we can catch something nice together today.
I hope so, man.
Get it back in the system. Get it back in the system with a nice winner.
I'm going to try to trade with everyone in the morning. I got to travel some, so. Not sure how long I'll be on. Real awesome, man. I'm glad you're hanging out with us at least. Glad you made a bag. Still can help us look for setups, right? All right, Todd, I'll see you in there. Guess I could share my screen with Team Bull. We got a little time. I'm going to work on this bot that I'm building a little bit more while I talk to you all pre-market. Again, the bot is nothing I'm selling or dropping. I'm just talking. Personal use. Appreciate all the follows on TikTok. You all are getting rolling early. Good morning, Jersey. Welcome. Drop your questions, everyone. Literally free education. Jabbar, yeah. My Grizzology gives us all the levels.
I've been consistently using nose tape lately. It's great.
You need it with the surgery?
It just helps me still.
Maybe that's why I need to try, man. So, nose tape. Let's go to my website, Jabbar, grizzlytrades.com. You'll see it. It's Grizzology.
It helps expand your nostrils, open up your airway, so you get more air and breathe better.
What's some?
Man, I should use mouth tape too. I'm not there yet.
So
Not quite there yet.
what is mouth tape? You just like hold your mouth open?
No.
Like what is that? I don't understand.
It keeps it shut.
Okay. I'm like, what?
It holds your like the dentist.
I feel like I would wake up and freak out something holding my mouth shut.
Yeah, no, it's to keep your mouth shut so you breathe through your nose. Yeah, I tried it. I wasn't a huge fan. I know it's good for you. I know there's benefits. Let's see here.
Good morning, good morning. Has anybody caught any trades pre-market? That's a good topic. If so, tell me about it. Let's talk about the setup. I've been seeing some decent setups here lately, pre-market. Do I ever take pre-market trades? Yeah, occasionally. I'll catch one. I want to perfect this option selling bot I'm working on. I've got a nice strategy set up for it. We'll have to see. I do know one thing. There is a lot of difference between Python and coding with PineScript. Jesus. Good morning, Boss DJ. How you doing? Good morning, Emma. I'm gonna try my best to trade with you all in the morning. Unless something changed, I'm supposed to do a little traveling tomorrow. What indicator are you using for Slushy? If you're asking about the indicator on the screen, it's just go to my website. You can read about it. Go to grizzlytrades.com or just click my link in bio. It's called Grizzology. If you have any questions, I can answer them here as well once you check it out. Good morning. I started early. I'm always up early, Nick. There is very few times I sleep past 5 a.m. It's not often. Would I like to? Yes, but I don't think I have the ability. I think my mind just automatically wakes me up like, okay, you're not sleeping. Let's go. Money to be made. You should go to a university and teach this. I don't even, if you all notice, I don't even offer courses or anything. I just hang out with you all and trade. I did some courses back in the day, but I just like the free vibes, you know. Feels right. The free webinars though, they can definitely lock into them. I'm gonna do one once I get back from my trip. I mean, I would drop a course only if it could just if it was just something of crazy value, you know. But I feel like I do a lot of that here, answering questions all the time. I don't think there's anything wrong with them. But good morning, everyone. Albert, let me log into Tradebate real quick. Let's see what we got going on here. It is almost end of the quarter. I mean, I'm gonna still use. This is how I do it, everyone. For options contracts, we have quarterly expirations, right? When you switch, the way I do it, I typically either do it when TradingView switches theirs, or whenever there's less volume on the current ones as opposed to the new ones. Thanks, Natural. Stomach's growling already. That's so funny. Let's see here. Now that is a candle we could look for a short if the market wasn't about to open. This is a legit setup. Like a pullback to VWAP for shorts. I hate taking anything so close to market open. You all know how the market can do right at open. Like it can just go either way really quickly for no reason. So yeah, that's true. Good morning, Danny. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, JC, I think that's the best decision we can make as a group to wait till market opens. Even though this looks great, maybe once the market opens, if we don't rip up and hit it, we can watch for a pullback to it. Possibly. We'll see. VWAP is there. So, morning. All right.
What's up, dog?
What's up, man? I see a setup. I wish the market was open. Like a 820, a pullback to 820 for shorts looks decent. Maybe if it waits until the market settles after open to retest, I'll consider it.
No trades pre-market?
I hate taking them close to market open. It always like pumps the other way on me before making the move, you know?
You get the volume influx too.
Yeah. Hit some legs this morning, man.
Okay.
Then 1,000 steps on the stair stepper.
Yeah, okay. I see you. How many floors is that?
I don't know. I just watched the steps.
My main watch today, still technically speaking, downtrend from pre-market. We've had some pretty aggressive higher lows. I don't hate this 875 area. It was at yesterday's low, as you guys see here. I think we could see some sort of rejection in here, like this 875, 880. Obviously, stops have to be maybe no longer be valid if we went above pre-market high. My only fear is I don't like trying reversals. We have a key level like pre-market high or low right above. Don't work. Well, we're gonna shoot some DOD today, guys.
I'm getting some volume here.
What do you say, bro?
I'm getting some volume here.
Yeah, it's decent. We got BWAP up at that like 820 area too.
Yeah.
Yep.
Man, I woke up last night randomly, and I don't know if you can see my chart, J Dunn, but right here on NQ is when I woke up. I'm like, it
One
felt.
second, I can't see it. Will you share it?
Oh yeah, I gotta share. My bad. I thought I shared earlier.
You're just not sharing it. I do that too sometimes. I'm only talking about the chart there, guy. You're not screen sharing.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Maybe you see it now.
Yeah. Yep.
So I woke up in the middle of the night. It was like right here when I woke up. I looked at it, I said, we failed to make a lower low here, right? Or I'm about to sneeze now. We made a lower or a higher low. I thought, I thought about this. There wasn't much risk when I seen it. I thought about getting in some longs, like setting my stop here, letting it ride overnight. Wish I had now.
Yeah, I'm sure just woken up.
Yeah.
Hit that buy button, set the stop below the low, and just went back to bed.
Yeah.
Would have woken up a happy man.
For real, it'd been a nice trade to wake up to. All right, what's up? I missed some questions. I was talking to Jay Dunn, multitasking, which I'm horrible at. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sarah, me, Bill. Welcome in, everyone. I'm ready to make some money. It's only 8 minutes. It's almost time. Almost time. Gonna try my new mobile setup streaming with you all Monday. Looking forward to trying it out. Medman and I have been making some adjustments to it. What's up? Good morning, V-Man. Steve, Ryan.
What's the most I've made in a day? 88,800. Need to get back to those days. Maybe I'll put some size on with options. And yeah, I've actually really been thinking about taking one of my next trades with some options. I miss options.
Oh yeah, V-Man, I'll be streaming from Florida soon. I gotta travel tomorrow, so I'm gonna try my best to stream with y'all in the morning. Gotta see. I'm gonna have a. I have to manage my time well if I do. Have to make sure I have everything just ready to roll out the door, you know. What's crazy is they're literally giving rain every day for my trip, so that's gonna. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully they're wrong.
No sells on QQQ. Nope. Just waiting.
Yeah, spring break 26. No. One thing, I do not like hangovers, and I don't have them, or try my best to avoid them, you know? I like feeling good of a morning. Yeah, that could be the case, V-Man. My plans will be, when I'm in Florida, I gotta do a little work, and I gotta maybe meet some, you know, people that want to meet up, but I'm gonna eat steak, sit on the beach, work a little bit. Oh, Jaden asked me a question. What's up, Jaden?
I was asking on the hourly chart. There's these green zones and these red zones. Are those supply and demand on Grizzology?
On the hourly?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I like the 5 minute for confirmation with Grizzology. That's when you're using it. I mean, other people use it on different time frames, but I created it to, you know, be similar to the way I trade. So 5 minutes my go-to. It's the zones. The supply and demand is hourly supply and demand because that's what I day trade.
Got it. That's why.
Yeah, they're hourly.
It's showing up, but it's not on the smaller time frame.
They're hourly levels. Yeah, you can see them. You can see them on the 5 minute. See the one on the 5 minute right now? You probably have to turn on your overlapping zones in your settings if you don't. Should be at the top. Yeah, allow overlapping zones. There's no way he's speaking again. Is Trump really speaking right now? Rambo, are you messing with me? I like the 820 areas for shorts, everyone, if it doesn't just rip through it off the opening candle. Yeah, doctor, I feel that.
It's my birthday. All I want is for you all to have a beautiful day, regardless of the P&L outcome. As Jaden would say, trade smart, trade safe, and DOD. Let's go, dirty D, dirty dog.
Every time, Jaden, everyone, they've created a game. Every time I mention Asia, they've turned it into a drinking game. And I gotta be careful saying it, you know. I don't want to be a bad influence.
Yeah, gotta be careful.
People on here taking shots every time I mention Asia.
People should mention people should take drinks every time I say DOD.
Yeah.
Y'all would be hammered.
They wouldn't make it to a first trade. They'd be laid out. Yeah, they might do their best trading ever. Who knows? Who knows? Yeah. Oh. Is it too soon for me to talk about that? Madman? I mean, he just you know what the deal was with Gene. He's just really getting in the role of the Asia session all the way around. That's all it is. He's dedicated. We'll chalk it up to that, okay? He's just trying to really lock in.
24 seconds. All right, guys, here's the deal. My daily push-ups. I'd love to invite you to join me. Get your heart moving. If you can't get up, if you can't get on the ground, if you can't do a push-up, do some jumping jacks. All right. Time for daily push-ups, baby.
Jaden's hitting some push-ups, which is not a bad idea, but I've already hit legs, so I'm good. Let's do this.
Game time.
Ripping straight up to the reject.
I hope so.
Well, it went up to 812, ripped straight down. It was close.
Okay, let's go. Let's get it today, everybody.
Where's Gene at? He there yet? He made it yet?
Nope, he's on his way.
Did he trade Asia last night?
I think he tried to get filled on a gold trade, and it didn't fill him or was on the wrong account or something, so no.
I'm just gonna be honest with you all. It takes
It's a massive move. How did you not catch the shorts? Yeah, no, I'm mad.
We was close to taking them. It takes everything in me to just not mess with Gene so much. I feel like
people are really liking that new trade debate manual workout feature.
I feel like I'm doing well. I'm proud of my maturity level with this.
Be more disciplined. I'm cool with it. It's fine. All I'm saying is that you've had a manual lockout build.
Look at her reject level, everyone. Look how close we got. I was wanting 820 for shorts.
If manual lockout helps, then use the manual lockout. I'm just giving you crap.
Good morning. What is it? Oh, you're getting some storms, Madman? Sorry to hear that. Stay safe. Don't let the puppy blow away.
Our menu lockout is on trade of 8 on prop firm accounts.
Yeah, King, I'd probably just go a little lighter.
What's up, Jesus saves me over and over. What's up, everybody in Team Bowl? So my main focus right now is...
Stay safe, everyone, with the storms rolling through.
Ideally, I'd like to see a push up into this like 880 area for a reject, push up, fail. That's what I'd initially like to see. However, I was watching pre-market this like 820 area as well. So gotta stay patient. I'm gonna wait. I don't really have any bounces yet. I'll watch this 700 area, that Asia low. Supply and demand's been really strong lately hidden. So I'll be watching that and staying patient for my levels to come.
How small is the dog? It's a baby corgi. So, puppy. Madman's dog.
Are you all checking in from this morning, Team Bowl? Where's everybody trading from with me this morning?
Welcome in, everyone. I'm still watching this reject level. I'm a little hesitant now. We're bouncing this pre-market low. We swept it. So we gotta... Honestly, we need to wait on the first 15 minutes now. At this point, we can't really get a good read. Unless, you know, we could go to a lower time frame. It's just more false moves. More fake outs, in my opinion. Good morning, Steve. See, Jadon's talking to me.
It's a little early in the day, but this was the first area.
I'm a little hesitant to take it now. I think I'm going to wait on the 15 minutes. Because we rejected 8 points earlier yet, off the open there.
No, in our luck, it's gonna reject here. I still like the game plan though. Move up, fail these highs, move down, or if we see clear signs of strength, we'll look for a higher low, for an uptrend.
I like where that closed, but I'm gonna wait at least 10 more minutes.
I actually really like using Grizzology. Grizzly. I've been saying that since years. It's pretty, it's clean.
Thanks, man. Put a lot of work into it.
I like pretty and clean. Who doesn't like pretty and clean? Come on.
It's literally all I use anymore. Just what do we have going on this morning? News and data. We have anything else?
I don't think we do. No, we have a decent amount of news tomorrow.
Hey, Ryan, are you talking about the trade I caught as well? The one after the live?
TCE, GDP.
Tomorrow? Okay. Nice, Ryan. This is a nice setup. Literally the only one I've seen all day. It waited until we ended the live. We stayed on, we was live after 11, right? It just looked like nothing was going to confirm, then boom. I'm not complaining, but I wish I had got to take it with you all in the live. I don't like when you all miss out. Appreciate it, Brian. Matt.
Okay, let's see.
You don't have any coffee yet?
Have I?
Yeah.
No, I always wait for Gene to bring it. We get it from a local coffee shop. I have a machine here. It's just he just brings it every day. Good friends bring their friends coffee. Stop. My Traded by Select accounts are still cooking. I'm so happy for these puppies. All are the daily payout plan too. Honestly, I don't think there's much better structure in the game.
Tradeify has some solid plans. If you all decide to check them out, go to grizzlytrades.com, Tradeify. Look at their straight to funded options. They're more expensive. You have to be careful with the consistency rule, but you can skip the evals. Just make sure you use code Grizzly. I had to turn the heat back on this morning. It was cold. What's Vic's doing right now? Tradeify just did some weird stuff. Chill out. Don't you start giving me issues, Tradeify. First day I've liked the price action. In a minute. For real. Bring it back. It was 30s here this morning when I went to the gym. At 5 something. We're having a hard time getting past this reject level. Or the level I was watching. Has you in a trade you can't get out of on Tradeivate? That's interesting. What happened? Did you leave a limit order open? Your point of control should be where it's right here. BD. Do you have the same chart settings as mine? You have to go to your settings and make sure you have electronic trading hours on the NQ chart. For our supply and demand levels, we have some demand right here. Well, the 820 was the area. I wish it just waited till the 15-minute range was in. Market settled.
Point of control right there with view op too. Wanted to see us go a little higher.
You're doing your first live account. If you're wanting to trade futures, trade evade. But if you're wanting options and futures, you'll have to. Depends if you want one for both or one or.
It's the old days, Grizzly, where we used to have 5-minute work days.
Yeah, for real.
Maybe that's what we need. Screw the rule book.
It's like if I had to pick one for each, I don't have one that I like for both, but Thinkorswim is solid for day trading options if you want to day trade them, and Trade Evade solid for day trading futures.
We're waiting for these key levels to hit. That happens sometimes. Sometimes you take a long get of breaks and market's not going anywhere. You'd rather. All right, guys, 15-minute range is in. We have our 15-minute range in.
Come on, I want to catch some shorts.
Damn, Grizzly, don't. 100-point trade from that 820 area.
We're just gonna have to start ripping them.
That was the one right there.
What sucks now? We're pushing down to demand.
Yep. This is near that Asia low down here on 700.
Yep.
Maybe if we sweep that and then wick back up, I'll try longs. It's definitely an option. What are others going to sweep that low down here? It's like 694.
That was a pleasant mistake you made, Jersey. He had him in trade. He made what? $950.
We'll see.
I guess we'll take it this week, Jersey.
Look for a pop back up, retest, and a short entry to the downside.
Nice, Jonathan. Man, that 820 level was it.
No, that was it, bro. That was it.
That was it.
That was the one that got away. one. It could have been. Coulda, woulda, shoulda.
So to keep it simple, a sweep is when you sweep a level, wick back up, close back above it, not wick up. Wait, yeah. Am I saying that right? Yes. Then you make the move. You're not taking a breakout.
So,
you're sweeping that level,
for
closing back above.
When the green domain goes away, does that mean it's invalidated?
Yeah, you can change it. You can have it either wick invalidate it or a close below. Either or.
Curious.
So if you want if the candle close and invalidates the zone for you, you can change that in your settings. If you prefer the wick, you can leave that. Yeah, if it wicks through zones, I typically just don't trade them. We're sweeping this Asia low right now. Trying to. Bouncing, whatever you want to call it.
I hate taking bounces that are aggressively moving down.
Yeah, look at the volume on this too.
I know. Like I was halfway tempted on a sweep down and then move back up to try longs with stops below like 675. Just rattles you.
I think the orb's going to be in play. $50. Positive delta on this red candle.
Yeah. That's been what's working lately is those demand bounces and supply rejects. It's been what's working lately. It's been what's been cooking. Oh, whoops, that was... Damn, that was it down there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I thought so. I kind of thought it would be. Sweep that Asia lowest. What it's been doing is demand bounces and supply rejects.
Get this off here. Bless you.
And I can't take this orb either. Aggressive wick. Let's see here. That looks a lot.
It is a lot.
And with how we've been operating this market, it's just a lot to do. It's a lot of risk to take on.
Man, literally, I just wanted like 10 points higher to try shorts. It's going to be one of them days.
gotta have some serious huevos to trade in this market. Orb head, that's not a setup I'd ever take with that wicking volume.
Not with futures, my friend. Water.
Just not a setup I would take with how that wick played out. Even though I don't trade the exact way you do, man, you have changed my life with DOD. That's love, bro.
Good morning.
Let's see here. Okay.
No way. Market, it's on my nerves.
Let's see here. 766. 766. 720. Okay. Well, that demanded for about 5 minutes.
Yeah, just enough to make an ugly confirmation candle.
Yep.
Or invalidate it. Whatever. Close this here, retest 24,700.
Maybe it's war talks too, maybe. Iran's new supreme leader is speaking right now too. So that might be causing some instability and some fear in the market. So you could tell the market liked when Trump said that the war was nearly over. And then you have their supreme leader coming out and saying that they're going to target all U.S. bases that aren't closed in the region or destroy their assets. So I think that maybe is spooking the market a little bit.
Don't sell off more. Push up.
You looking for shorts up here?
Yeah, I don't. It's just gonna rip down. It's just own one. Push up. Give us a short entry.
What are you looking for? Like 720?
I was gonna watch the 700 area. See what we did there.
I like that. No, in this market though, it's not gonna wanna give it to us.
Nice, Grut. Good job.
I honestly don't see maybe like 24,500 area for demand bounce. We're literally right in the middle of that range. Like if you look at the daily, we're literally right in the middle of this daily range. Gross. I would take missing the biggest downtrend in history if it meant us getting out of this range, the downside. Or the biggest uptrend.
I'm cold. Let's go grab my heater. Make sure you hit the follow. TikTok, I go live every single morning.
Yeah, I'll watch for that 700. That's that Asia low area too. 700 like 720.
My stomach growling. 768.
I got my Tradeify Select accounts pulled up, those fundeds, and I also have my live account, of course.
Huh. No, I'm not anemic. I just eat a lot of protein. Drink a lot of coffee and eat a lot of protein. Yeah. Steak and sushi diet, yeah. Oh, you asked because I keep a heater next to me? I just, after I work out, after getting out of the sauna or steam room, you know, once I get wet, then cool off, it's still cold. It's hard to shake the chill, you know? It eventually goes away. Harlem, probably Strip, if I had to pick just one, but I like them all different, you know, different times, different occasions, or different moods, you know? This week's been tough. Do I ever take breaks? Um, I don't really, I mean, I've never been really good at moderation, you know? I just go. I should take breaks from trading, I guess, but no tornado warnings here. It's cold. I seen there's a chance of snow earlier, but it went away. Let's watch this for shorts up here. 700, 715 area. Wow, there it was.
I had it 66.
Come on, do not reject yet.
Well, it touched 700. I was watching it. It's fast and a lot of risk. I think I'd rather see that 720 to be completely honest.
715 was the exact spot I wanted to enter. 715.
I just fear we're gonna do the whole demand thing and rip up. I will try it though. I'll just try it lightly.
All right. Well, what did that fill me at? What is going on? There we go. I try to light size the shorts here, everyone. Leave room to add in case we do retest this 30s, okay?
Trying to white size shorts up here as well.
This market has been tough. Do not overposition. This is not the week to overposition. Oversize. Don't play with this market.
Here, you guys, will stops at 66. We go above 60 or 67 actually. 67.
6-7. That's where That's where it'd be invalidated. Invalidated.
Yep. Oops. This is the area I liked up here, that 50% retracement area. This whole zone 720 to 730.
We looking at the same chart, Robert? It could stop me out, yeah, but it is a legit setup, so I'm trying.
I don't like how we're holding up here, but this is the, if we're going to see a lower high, this is the trend entry. Yeah, pre-market low at 750.
All right. My average is like 27. I'm not adding any more. This is my full size on this trade. If it hits my stop, just be a loss. I don't know. I have nothing better to say.
So far, it's she's trying. If it hits my stop, it'll be
Top of this candle's a stop for me. That's the invalidation. The invalidation point's the top of the candle here.
Yeah, I'm gonna move my stop down a little too. 750.
750.
Market low 750. Yep. I moved my stop down to 750, guys. So.
Yeah, we're in shorts. We're in MNQ and NQ shorts. My average is 27. 727. Come on, just rip down for us. We need just one good mega trade. Push down to Asia low.
Jesus. You good, Gene?
You all right?
Thought I heard something fall. Push down to 704.
Just go straight down. Do it.
Just trying. Just trying. Just see us flush 700. Come on.
Come on, rip down. There we go. Trim.
I'm gonna take a little lockdown.
Yeah.
Just in case.
Nice.
It's been a shaky trading start to me for the last week, so I took a little lockdown here.
Yep. Me too. Move my stop to entry.
It's not huge, but we'll take small dub.
Wow.
Out of this trade.
Yep.
Wait for
Well,
re-entry.
I'm still in. Did it hit my stop? No, I'm out.
We'll wait for re-entry.
I'm out. One trim.
Yeah, so slightly, just above, we'll call it break even. Slightly green. I don't trust this market right now. So we'll take it. I'll look for re-entry if we get it, but one baby sell down there. Break even. Slightly green, but we'll call it break even.
Wasn't it? I mean, I wanted pre-market low, but it wasn't a bad trade for me. I was normal size there, so.
I'm not super happy with how it went. I mean, I'm happy that it didn't get stopped out, but I just want to see a nice clean trend. I don't know why that's so much to ask for. Why is that so much to ask for? For a nice clean trend. I don't like that we're holding that Asia low either. That's what really spooked me. Otherwise, I'd keep my stops at like 48. It's just been a very supply and demand based market. So if we get a solid confirmation, I'm open to re-entry. I'm open to another short. Just needs to be the right one.
I like a 780 short.
VWAP.
Yeah, we have.
The controls a little above.
This market is requiring a little wider stop than I typically like.
Yep.
I made some money off that. I made stake money off that. Like I said, I had normal size on that trade. Finally got a normal size trade. Only one trim, but still. That's a decent candle.
I'm just not a fan of what we're seeing.
What did I make off of that? I think we see low a day if I was guessing, but I don't take trades guessing. If not, it's just gonna get back inside pre-market, get above pre-market low, and probably chop in between high and low rest of the day. Happy late birthday! I didn't know it was your birthday. Did anybody make any money off that previous trade? I know it took a little work. We added to the position, but we left room from the first entry. Nice, 600. Tiffany made 2,500 on funded accounts. That's awesome, Tiffany.
I want a giga trade. 200 pointer. What? 1,000,000 points.
thought I made more than what I made. I don't know what happened. I made like 800 and something off that trade, but oh yeah, always stake. I must have just got a bad feel when I trimmed, or maybe this whenever it hit my stop, it kind of felt it on the other side. I don't know.
Solid,
I'll have to look into it.
clear level break, trend entry. I don't think that's too much to ask for. Once you guys staying focused, trading smart and trading safe.
It's a tough market, Emma.
Of course, every day choosing DOD. Do that long term, you're going to be in good shape. Still below pre-market low too.
That's right, Nick. What happened? What happened to Greg? Jadon just made decision that he just didn't. It's based off feedback. I know a lot of people loved him, whatever, but Jadon made the decision. He's just not on. He was not on Voice anymore. He was still gonna do his own thing in Team Bull, right? And it just, I guess, went from there, and he ended up leaving. Basically it. Or I don't know. I'm not sure what he's doing these days. I just don't keep up with anyone, to be honest. Well, respecting this pre-market low, well, that's a good sign. It may give us another entry. This would be more of a trend entry type. No idea. I haven't talked to him, Brian.
You know, just knowing this market, what it would want to do is
You go right here,
give us
keeping
green
it real.
candle,
Go to
up,
hollow.
wick this pre-market high, and then die. I hope that's not what happens, but I could see it happening with how price action's been.
I hope this candle doesn't go low day. I was going to look for another short entry. You can go low day after I get in, but give us one more short entry. Oh, 707. Wait, let's see. What do you think, Jaden? Don't do it. If we take this, if we try a short entry again, everyone, we got a lower position size because our entry would be around 710. We'll have our stop loss at 7. No, I mean, it looks decent. Not too much risk. 30 something points if we retrace. Oh yeah, Nate, if you've trimmed. No, I'm not in, everyone. I was out of the trade earlier. It got my entry. I trimmed once. I moved my stop to my entry and just ripped up and grabbed it. I didn't get to make money on my entire position. Only half. What's up, GD? How you doing? Catching any trades this morning, man? Oh. One winning trade so far this morning. We'll take it after a tough week. Well, looks like I'm going to be able to pay myself at least $2,000 today. I would like to catch the trend move. That's what I'm trying my best to do here. I want the move that, you know, gives us low a day and then some. I just added once, as planned, Jevin. That was, you know, when I got in, I said leave room to add to your position. That means go light and add the rest at a, you know, if we push up to the closer to, you know, that 15-minute range low. Once you feel like you have that under control, you know.
I don't think they're going to give us that 700 area. Let's see.
Looks like it wants to rip down more before.
It's low here, 630. Starting out a small piece of shorts, guys, and I'll scale in at 720, stops above pre-market high.
That was Jay done. It's a good area to try shorts, but 710 is what I'd like to have my average, everyone.
Try it up there, everybody.
If you want to start your position here, add to it, you can, but 710 is a much better average for the risk. Everyone following? You understand? Trying to make sure I'm clear here.
Good reaction. I want to see some follow through.
You have to know where your stop will be. It'll be right here.
Stops at or above this previous 5-minute high at 748.
I don't see the aggressive buyer stepping in personally.
Come on. Push it down, baby. Push it down. Push it down, baby.
I was hoping to get a full-size trade here.
Push it down, baby. Come on. There's 20. Nope. Come on. 25 points and turned back around and said nope. Come on. I want to see death of this candle. I want to see death of this candle.
I see low day, all I see. It's gonna upset me.
Come on. It's not the best risk reward, but I'm taking off a little piece down here. Because of how the market's been to me lately, I'm taking off a small piece down here, letting the rest run. I want to see low day out of this. I want to see the 630. We're about 30 points right now. I want to see low a day. Come on. Come on. I'm also going to go ahead and move my stop.
Oh. This aggravates me. I can't get my the size I wanted there. Nothing crazy, J-Dom. like I said, I wanted our average to be 710 on this. Because where you tried it, there's no way I could go even close to full size. Or even half size at that matter. I should have some 150K take profit accounts to give away today. Which we're almost to the point where they give me, some more to give away. Excuse me. Maybe in the morning or something we do the giveaway. We'll do a giveaway on the live in the morning. Just make sure, if anybody decides to buy some new take profit accounts today, go to my website, grizzlytrades.com. Click on take profit, use code Grizzly. Thanks, champ. I don't have any Apex codes yet. I should be getting some new ones soon. This is a nice trade by Jaden. I'm glad he caught it. Love to see it. I was so light. I did try the second trade up there, but like I said, I was so light. It barely put me over 4 figures on the day. The first trade is where I made my money. If we got to 710, I would have put on a little bit of size with you all. You caught my yawn, Caden? My job here is done. Another setup? Do you all see another setup just appear on the chart? Where would you try shorts if so? It's not something I'm taking, but the setup is there. You're just not going to be able to keep your stop at the top of the confirmation candle. It'd have to be above the fair value gap zone. Twitter. My opinion on Twitter is I hate it. Just to be honest, I hate it. It's just I don't know, just drama and stuff like that is not my thing. It is. You know, I'm not. I'm not saying this to trigger anyone, or it's not a debate. But I was raised like men just don't. do drama. They just don't argue like that. It's just not something. Like you just settle it and go on. I'll never get it, I guess. The world may have left me behind. I'm telling you, my family was rough when I was growing up. My uncle, I mean, he was like something like that. If I was trying to be drama or just gossip or, whatever, he'd be like, "What are you doing, sissy? Toughen up. Come on." I guess that could be why my sense of humor and stuff is the way it is. That's very true, Brittany. That's a very good point. Very good point. I hope he's still. Let's see what. Let's get updated on Jay Dunn's trade. I'm happy for him. Man, you crushed that trade. Good job.
Thank you, bro. I needed that so bad, dude.
Nice trade, man. I caught a little piece, but I was wanting to put my size on at 710, and I missed out. So, but I'm in the 4-figure range today, and I'll take it after this week.
It's been a lot. Come on, baby. That's a trend entry right there. That is a trend entry. That is what we wanted.
That's exactly what we wanted. Unfortunately, I
Face.
just got a little tiny sliver.
Sliver.
A little sliver.
I want to see literally death of this market. That one was personal. That one is real personal. It's interesting. All the gurus on my IG telling me, "Oh, it's broken. You took too many losses." Well, guess what? I just made all of last week back. We're very green now. We'll see how this trade ends.
I see another short entry. I'm just hesitant to take another trade.
What are you looking for?
640. It'd be 640 entry for shorts, and your stop would be like 660. There's just too much risk at the top of the candle.
Ideally, that risk up to like 700. Oh, glad we could catch a winner. Doesn't mean we're guaranteed to win it tomorrow, but it felt good today, guys. I did my job today.
What is up with this market missing my entries by 8 points today? I don't understand what's going on here. It's like, okay.
Needed that, everybody. Thank you guys for all who stuck around. We're gonna go 1 for 1 on the day. That first trade was technically a winner, but I don't really count it. Fuck yeah, let's go! Excuse my language. I try not to curse, but
I'm happy you made it. 127. Get out the soap. All right. How do how do I feel about cursing? I don't curse unless I'm angry. Oh, why don't I curse? Because when I was growing up, if you cursed in the house, it was an instant backhand to your mouth. So I decided it just wasn't for me, you know? That's just the truth. And I like to think that I can conversate without having to lead everything with cursing. I mean, if I'm about to beat someone up or something, of course, but I try to avoid it. They would leave you under the freeway if you behave badly? That seems a bit unusual. I'd have made that work to my advantage though. If there's like a fishing place close, take a pole with you, you know? Nice. 900 on the day? Nice. Have I ever gotten to a bar fight? Dom, it's smarter to go to grizzlytrades.com and use Tradeify or Apex or Take Profit and use code Grizzly. I'd have to look at it, Dom. I'm not familiar with them. Oh, come on now. Nitro, you're just getting out of hand. Come on. Where am I from? I'm from Tennessee. I don't really see another setup I'm interested in. Do you all see anything? I have not tried to figure it out. I have not tried to. I have not reached 6 payouts since they had that, so I don't know. Oh yeah, I love the Vols. College football is my favorite sport. My favorite to watch. It looks to me as we could have trend today. Like it could be the trend day like you see here. But yeah, I agree, Caden. I see trend down today, what I see. Make sure everyone shows up tomorrow. I'm gonna try my best to stream before I leave traveling. But I want to give away the Take Profit accounts, 150Ks. I should have 3 to give away tomorrow. Paul, I don't think we bounce here personally. We could. Just because I say I don't think, it doesn't mean we won't, but it just looks like we have the trend pattern forming here. This area here, I was looking for the next lower high entry. That's why we're watching it other than this fair value gap. I'm gonna be in Florida, Peachy, and I'll be back next week some point. But I'm gonna trade with you all live. I'm taking my mobile setup, so. Well, yesterday I thought it was Yesterday I thought it was Tuesday most of the day for some reason. I don't know. Yeah, it's a bit overextended. I agree, Daniel. That's why I'm not taking another trade. Be in South Florida, so got a lot of people wanting to meet up. I promise I'm gonna try to. Yeah, you can DM me on Instagram if you want to meet up in the area. I'm gonna try my best to make it work. And if we meet up, I eat steak and sushi, so that's what you can expect. Head out tomorrow, probably. No bad luck. So, all right, everyone. We had a decent day compared to the week overall. I'm not for sure where everyone stands on the week. If you're red, green. But one more good trade. Even if you just took trades we took during this live, if we get one more good trade, you should be nice and green this week. So hopefully we can make it happen. Oh, I'm not driving. I'm gonna fly. You're only down 28 this week. Nice, Robert. Good job managing your risk, your trades. Same to you, Jackson. Nice. I mean, it looks decent for shorts here. I'm not trying it though. Personally, I'm setting this one out. We already touched the zone and sold off, so. Anybody have any questions? I'm not trying to rush off here. I just not looking for any other trades. You all know how to trade this if you try it. You're short. You should be in shorts already. You know, your stop's way up here. I'm not taking it. No, definitely. Wow. Literally, as I was talking, it's ripped up. You all see that? Straight up to Asia low. If you get you all know how to, or should know how to, trade the reversals as well. For the most part. The reason I don't take, the reason I didn't take this, other than already being up 4 figures today on my personal, see how we came up and tested it on this candle here? We kind of pushed up and made the move I was looking to capitalize on, so I'm not going to take it once we already made low a day. I'm going to log out on my Tradeovate. I'm going to pay myself $2,000, right at $2,000 today from my personal. It was aggressive reject up there at 720. I wonder why it just rejected that. Was that a news candle? It's behaving like a news candle. Oh my goodness, my stomach. It had to be a news candle, J-Dun. Had to be. Trump administration set to suspend Jones Act to tame oil price. Wow. No, I'm not looking for another trade. Everyone, I was just hanging out a bit longer. I'm done for the day.
J-Don gets one lucky trade. Do it again. Yeah, one lucky trade.
I think I'm about to call it. I'm not gonna take another trade. I'm happy. Happy we made some money in this tough market. You see another setup you're eyeing, J-Dun, or are you done with it?
I think that I am going to be, I'll hang out here for a bit. It's so weird how when we win, it feels like time goes slow, but like the last week, I just feel like it's taken forever to get to that 9:30 mark. This actually looks good for another short entry if we popped up.
The previous candle had a positive delta, the red one. Is that not crazy?
How do you get that pulled up, Grizzly?
TradingView has this. I guess you have to have the pro account to get it, but you just come here,
Yeah, I do.
come to your candlesticks and go to volume footprint, then you have to zoom in on the candles to see it.
I'll have to upgrade. I have plus.
Yeah, I have.
I'll do that later. I will upgrade my subscription later.
I haven't changed mine from what they come at, Mason. Nice stuff. Well, everyone, I'm gonna cut out. We made some money this morning. It's what we came here for. Mason, they're two different things. So TradingView is going to show you the actual delta. Grizzology shows you the candle volume. Hold on, let me explain it. I'm trying to.
Damn, what a freaking wick up. Right into that 720 area. That would have been the trade.
Grizzology don't show you the volume. It shows you the delta, right? It shows you.
And my Nuggets kicked butt last night too.
Sorry, I keep getting about to sneeze. My nose is like burning. Trying to fight off this sneeze. It shows you the delta, yes, but it's not going to keep up with the actual one on TradingView. Like, it's going to be hard to keep up with it because TradingView has a direct feed, right? And for the indicator, I have to code it in a certain way because I don't have access to the direct feed that TradingView does. Oh, my nose.
Jokic is the best player. He's great. He's so fun to watch in person too. I love watching Jokic in person.
A what? I like the I utilize the footprint chart on TradingView because I can actually just go look at the finished candle, you know. I wish I could put footprint charts into Grizzology, but I don't either. I don't know how to do it or just can't do it. I'm convinced. That's the only two options.
His flowers for his 83-point game, but it was low key kind of BS. Low key. Like they were fouling up 30 or whatever at the end of the game.
All right, everyone. I've been saying I'm getting off here forever, but I'm getting off here. I'll see you in the morning, okay? Peace.